In a marathon of severe weather, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. This picture from Bill Jones in Atlantic City was between 7 to 8 p.m. where we saw a lot of photos like this. Now, this could either be a funnel cloud that was on the northwestern side of the city or something called a scud cloud, which comes with a non-severe thunderstorm. Regardless, we saw flooding rains and we saw wind gusts that topped out in the 70s in part of Long Beach Island yesterday, and we are under the same risk for that today. Not only that, we are under a flash flood watch for today and going into Tuesday at 6 a.m. This is where you can see everywhere shaded in green. That is all South Jersey, getting into Pennsylvania. The only places that aren't in it in the state is north of I-78 in northeastern New Jersey. Looking at our temperatures as we go into the afternoon, notice all this hot air here. 91 in Salisbury, Maryland, 90 in Baltimore. We're going to get close to 90 here on the mainland. However, notice to the north, only in the 70s. Well, we have a stationary front that's located across the area, and this is going to dominate our pattern throughout the week. When we are north of the warm front, we are cooler and stable and no risk of severe weather. When we are south of the front like this, we are warmer, we are brighter, and we are unstable. And that's pretty much what's going on our satellite. South Jersey is just in this slight risk, or level 2 of 5 risk for severe weather. Notice in the beginning of the loop, we were pretty much sunny here. Now we have clouded up, but nothing like these clouds we see to the north of the front, which is we're seeing the cooler air and the more stable air. We have the more unstable air here with us. So here is the severe weather threats. Damaging wind gusts are the main risk. I think there will be isolated areas of this as well as flooded roadways. However, large hail is not ruled out, and as we've seen pretty much all spring and summer, you really cannot rule out a tornado at any severe weather day here this year. Looking at our future radar, this is 5 p.m. today. Good news, most of your day is dry. Even 5 o'clock we're dry. When we get to 6 o'clock, that's when showers and storms start to come in. Could play a role into graduations as we go into the night. And you see by 8 o'clock, that's when the storms are coming through. Now, this model run is not really showing any severe weather, nothing intense. All the intense storms stay down here. Something to keep in mind as we go throughout the evening. Go to 11 o'clock, we're pretty much tapering off just a couple of isolated cells. And then we are going to do it all over again on Tuesday. Now, this one could be a little more significant because we're expecting a line of storms to come through, but we will monitor you as we go throughout the day tomorrow. For this afternoon, temperatures summery and sticky here. Most of the day is dry, so if you have any outdoor plans, that's looking good. But once we get towards 6 o'clock, we are watching out for showers and storms. Here's your graduation cast, your gradcast. Ocean City is looking good. As we're seeing here, the later you go, the better of a risk for rain here, to the point where Hamilton, I really think there's an over 50-50 shot that you are going to see rain or a thunderstorm during this time. We go to Tuesday's graduations, under a 50-50 risk, but that will be updated as we go throughout the day, but still some risk for rain for the graduations tomorrow. For tonight, temperatures slowly falling through the 70s, but the main story are the thunderstorms here across the area and the potential for severe weather, mainly in the form of damaging wind gusts. It will be sticky after the showers and storms end and mostly cloudy. Maybe we'll get to partly cloudy by the time we get towards sunrise on Tuesday. Low temperatures about 10 degrees above average. Then for Tuesday, we're going to do it all over again. Most of the day is dry, but the late afternoon into the evening, we'll see showers and storms. We'll be watching out for that line of storms and the risk for severe weather. We will be keeping you updated all throughout the day today. We have graduation forecast updates. We have photos from yesterday, and we're going to be talking about the flash flood watch and the risk for severe weather. You can follow me on social media for that. Facebook and Instagram at JoeMartWX, Twitter at ACPressMartucci, or our website, thepressafac.com/weather. One more note too, we'll be live if there's any severe weather.